Today we're going to visit Newlands Corner in Surrey. Let's see what we find.
When I'm blue, I think of you.
Oh, this is a cool Kawasaki. It's classic Kawasaki, the Xenon 100 RS. Inline 4, double overhead cam, very good engines, very smooth and actually quite fast and a decent amount of torque for inline 4. You do get the slipper clutch as standard, so if you need to dump the clutch you can, which is really good. This model got the monoblock calipers, so you've got quite powerful calipers, a lot of stopping power. Anti-lock brakes are standard, so if you need to slam the anchors on, you're not going to lock the front or rear wheel. And with the Xenon 100 RS, Kawasaki did this interesting styling here to hark back to the original air-cooled versions of the naked Kawasaki. So it's a nice touch. It's all computer controlled, it's all fuel injected. So it just starts on the button. You've got the LED headlight up front, the LED indicators as well all round. Kawasaki teardrop fuel tank, which looks really nice. Classic naked bike from the past. And you've got this lovely stitching as well on the seat, and it's a really nice pattern to it. These handle really well, and look at the metallic fleck in the Xenon 100 by Kawasaki. In the sunlight, sparkles really nicely. Very upright handlebars, so a very comfortable naked bike. You can do quite a bit of distance on. This one, being a naked bike, means there's no wind protection. There's no bearings, and that is normal. You don't buy a naked bike if you have a problem with buffeting and the wind. If you want wind protection, you buy a bike with bearings. So don't be putting a screen on this or any stupid stuff like that. It's a naked bike, it's not meant to have a screen, it's a naked bike. And you got the classic Kawasaki clocks as well, which is a hark back to the past, and they actually look pretty good. Controls are simple, so you've only got your dip beam, main beam, got different modes you can select. And yeah, the handlebars are nice and straight, so they're very comfortable. Nice chrome effect there by Kawasaki, and you even get this chrome piece here, so you can hang your helmet on your Kawasaki, so you don't have to carry your helmet with you, which is just very cool. It's a hark back to the past. You can carry a pillion too, and yeah, so it's just a lovely bike. If I could have a third motorcycle, this is a motorcycle I think I'd really like to have, with a full exhaust system and no baffle, and the fuel map changed. Yeah, lovely. So this is an interesting motorcycle to come across. It's a modern Harley Davidson. It's a Sportster, but it has the classic old school styling of the past. But you do get these Brembos up front. They're not monoblocks, but they are Brembos, so they're quite powerful, quite strong. Also get the exposed aluminium wheels, so it looks good. It's in this ruby red colour. It's a really good looking colour. Halogen bulb. So I have no idea if the headlight is alright or not. It's a big 1200cc V-twin. It's air cooled, so what that means is you get more of a mechanical noise from it, but it will make quite a thumpy noise. Belt drive here, nice shorty exhaust system. That might be OEM, but it will be sound fairly decent because it is a big 1200cc V-twin, and this is a sort of motorcycle where it's just about cruising around. This is not fast. This is not a fast bike. It will be fairly quick in a straight line, but this is more about having a comfortable cruising style bike. You can see the handlebars are just very straight, if you like, They're not sporty, they're not high performance, they're just angled handlebars. But yeah, you can do a lot of distance on a motorcycle like this, and that's what these Harley Davidsons are about. Just doing lots of distance and being pretty comfortable about it. I love the fact that there's no screen. Naked bikes, you're going to get a lot of buffeting, but it's really good that he has, or she has, kept to that aesthetic. No screen, well done. And yeah, you get analog clocks if you're into analog clocks, and it looks very nice. So this is a interesting find, and this is also motorcycling history. Kawasaki Zephyr 900. I think they were known, that was one of the names they were under. And classic Kawasaki. It's a very beautiful naked bike. And even the teardrop tank looks really nice. And these are fast naked bikes. Back in the day, this was a really powerful naked bike. Inline 4, 900 cc's, so a very big engine. Cool. And air cooled. And the power delivery was very nice and smooth for a carbureted naked engine, and you just open the throttle and you're gone. It's Kawasaki, it's a fast bike, but also technology was different, so you don't have any computer control, you don't have fuel injection, any of the good stuff that we have today. This was from a long time ago. So you do have a disc brake, which was actually really good for the time, but you only get a single caliper. Chrome exhaust system actually does look pretty nice. Halogen lights, halogen indicators, which is very normal for the time. And what's really nice, it's got a beautiful tailpiece. You got this piece for if you would like to hang up your helmet, because back in the day when we had motorcycles like this, you felt like it was a safe thing to do. You didn't feel like someone was gonna come along that didn't know you and go, oh, that's a nice helmet, and go and steal it and take it from you. You could leave your helmet on your motorcycle and feel safe. You're absolutely fine about it. Standard exhaust, so it is actually quite quiet, which is a shame. Drum brake at the back and halogen at the rear. That just looks really good. Oh, and double overhead cams, which back in the day that was pretty advanced if you think about it. Double overhead cams, carbureted, so you do have a choke to worry about. But yeah, clocks, look at that. For a naked bike, 160 miles an hour. Oh my god. Wow. And the handlebars are fairly straight, so it's a very comfortable bike for doing lots of miles on. Yeah, it's a very cool bike. Newlands Corner, it has got a very beautiful view of the landscape and the countryside in that part of the country, and you get to meet all sorts of different motorcycles that just randomly turn up, so it's definitely worth visiting. It's worth checking out. Thanks for watching. Drink a cup of tea or coffee.